12 miles, 3270 is fine. Gear down.
Runway 16 left, cleared for takeoff, only point 247 Charlie 10.
Yes, guys, please contact the departure.
Alright, departure, please gray.
Ready?
It's fine. Flaps 3, speed check. Flaps 3. Flaps full. Speed check. Flaps full. So 10 miles to 630. Yeah, wind slot. Landing checklist. Landing. Auto brake. BTV. Runway condition. Tri-set. ECA memo. Not there. Landing. No blue. We have to wait for the memo here.
Secretary, Japan Air 257, wind 0, we are ready.
Japan Air 257 tower, runway 16 left at 3011, line up runway, clear departure after arrival, runway 23.
So I fly direct straight ahead and then we'll do the
Japan Air 257, line up underway to runway 16 left at Charlie 11.
Okay, feel inside. Yep. We continue straight ahead and then we do a shallow turn. That's the way the approach has to be flown. Supposed to be 2,000. Looks fine.
Toyota Nippon 403 approaching Charlie 10.
Nippon 403 tower, hold short of runway 16 left at 3010, you're number 2.
Hold short runway 16 left Charlie 10, number 2 Nippon 403.
Nippon 247, contact departure.
Contact departure, Nippon 247, gray.
Okay, I can see the touchdown, yes.
Lufthansa 714, runway 23, clear run, Veno 210 at 14.
Lufthansa 714, clear to land 23.
21014, yeah, wind looks good. Direction is correct, waiting. Will be degrees by 10, so I think we can go down slowly. Okay, speed the slots.
Above.
Flight director off.
Minimum.
Continue.
1,000.
Runway track. Yep. Let's check 1,000. So yeah, good on glide slope. Yep. Slightly low. Yep. Shallow descent.
300. 200. 100. 70. 50. 40. 30. 20, retard. 5.
Japan Air 257, wind 200 at 18, runway 16 left, clear for takeoff.
Japan Air 257, clear for takeoff, runway 16 left.
Delta 5, yep, the next one is Delta 3.
Lufthansa 714, turn right, Delta 5, taxi via Romeo.
Lufthansa 714, we can't make Delta 5, we'll take Delta 3.
Lufthansa 714, radar, turn right, Delta 3, taxi by Sierra 3, Sierra Romeo.
Delta 3, Sierra 3, Sierra Romeo, Lufthansa 714.
I have control, Delta 3.
Onipon 403, runway 16 left at 3010, line up runway.
Runway 16 left, 3010, lining up runway, Onipon 403.
Segment to the right.